Well, hello there, YouTube, and welcome to the 15th of February. We're halfway through. Well, actually more than that, because February is a short month. But look at this, a shocking 41 degrees. It feels like springtime after, you know, low 20s and snow yesterday and all that stuff. It's very pleasing to come in here and see that thing sitting there. Of all colors, champagne. It just works. Well, woman, it's kind of like a spring kind of a weather morning. Yeah. Kind of like yesterday. It was pouring down rain one minute, sun blazing you in the eyes the next.
Yeah, back and forth, back and forth.
Yeah, dark as coal in the clouds and then sunshine again.
Yeah.
But hopefully this will dry out. I want to take that Grand America for a test ride.
There you go.
But anyway, I need to get down there. I know I've got a service appointment first thing, so I'm a-rolling.
All right.
Let me see you. Bye. Bye-bye. I introduce to you the 2018 BMW K1600B Grand America. That's pretty cool. That's really cool, actually. Come on. There you are. Focus in on that. As soon as she dries out here a little bit, we'll take her for a rip. Cool. Can't wait to take this thing for a little loop around my little short loop area. Man, that's pretty cool. All right, SV peeps. Let's take the K1600 Grand America for a ride. Oh man. This thing has shift assist prime. I mean, I think they went down, like I was saying in the vlog yesterday, I think they hit select all. There's nothing left on the list to add to it. Shift Assist Pro on the 4 and 6 cylinders is magical. You've never ridden an inline 4 or a 6 cylinder with Shift Assist Pro. It's just glass. You touch the lever and it just floats in the gear. Man, that really, really spoils you. Go ahead. Watch this. That's so nice. Oh man. Like I like to say, that is just pure cheating right there. And the same going down. Ooh, that looked like oil residue on the pavement off on the side there, didn't it? Yeah, let's see if we can do a quick little walk around on this thing. I've done walkarounds and stuff on the B models. This is essentially a B model with a little extra flare, the trunk, namely. And I don't know if the regular B model had all the quite as many options. I mean, there's just like everything's on this thing. I'd have to look at the spec sheet on them. Let's just do a quickie around this beauty. God, and there's nothing cooler than the sound of an inline 6. That thing sounds just like my CBX I had way back in the day. I gave you guys a little sneak peek of the trunk here earlier, but here's one out in the daylight. Look how well upholstered it is on the inside. And yes, that's the BMW style port. If you're into BMWs, or I think Triumph uses them as well. It's no big deal, it's just a different style. And then the bags are literally the same bags as the B model. Look at that motor though. That is so impressive. And it's got that leveling adaptive headlight. It always stays flat. Whether you're braking, accelerating, turning, the headlight stays flat all the time. It's really cool. She is a beauty. I wish I could take it for a longer ride and do like a review or something on it, but maybe at some point one of these will become a demo. And these things cool. That wonderful 6-cylinder. It's almost like riding an electric bike. And I've got her in rain mode, which it's a brand new bike. I'm not gonna flog on it anyway, but man, the rain mode is really tames BMWs down. They'll keep you good and safe. And when you're in that mode, all your safety features are like hyperactive. Traction control, stability control, everything is super sensitive. See how fast that guy came up behind me? It's scary. Let's give it to the folks up front, shall we? I guess we weren't even supposed to receive one of these for a while. Mark, heck yeah. Thank you, kind sir. She's a beauty. Since I spoke to you last, we received and I assembled a beautiful 2018 BMW R1200RT. This is called, it's weird because it looks so blue. Well, if you look at the outside tag, it's called Carbon Schwartz Metallic, but the actual VIN inquiry thing says that it's a, what do they call it, like a cobalt black metallic. But if you look, it's very blue. It looks really good. She's pretty. I couldn't very well tease you with this thing and not take you for the little mandatory test ride. I won't be able to, I'm not going to do any walkarounds or anything like that, because I mean it's about to dump on me. So it's like take it now or lose it. There's my boy Ryan. And even scary. Oh man, I love these RTs. This is like the BMW version of a Street Glide Special. These things are super nice, super comfortable. Got the wonderful K5X boxer motor in it, the old water head. The tires are sticky, they're picking up all kinds of little pebbles off the road. Man, these things are nice. They're so nice. Such a beautiful color on this thing. Like I said, it's called cobalt black metallic. And man, you get it in light, and there's so much blue metallic in it that it almost looks like it's blue. We're still waiting on, I forget what the blue is called. There's a certain blue, it's a real special color, and I think they were going to allow us to have 3 of them, I think. How you doing? Tell me one of these days they're going to chase me out of here. They're probably used to me. They probably know my name, you know. Well, I'm not wearing it now, but my shop coat or my shop shirt has my name on it. So it's like, oh, there goes Shawn again. Oh yeah, and this one, that Whatever they did to the Shift Assist Pro for 2018 on these Boxers is magical. They're just shy of being as smooth as the inline 4s and 6s. Just wonderful. Can't believe how different it is. It's that way on the 2018 GS Adventure I'm riding. Wonderful. Yeah, I could just see myself taking a long trip on one of these. A lot of people do, man. These things are world famous. I've got her in rain mode. I'm like, ooh, that felt kind of soft. I just leave it in rain. It's the way they come out of the box. I just leave them. Look at that, the door's open. It's a straight drive right on in. Hey Mike, could I borrow another puck? Thank you, sir. You want me to set it up there a little bit? Oh, this one doesn't have reverse like the 16B. Oh, you know what? I forgot I was recording. Thanks for coming along for another ride. I'll talk to you later. Well, little woman, we've made it to the end of the day.
We did.
Today is Thursday, right?
Yes, one more day.
Wow. Man, this week flew by. Amazing the difference when it's busy, huh?
Oh, yeah. Today was the slowest day I've had in weeks. And I was still busy. Yeah.
Oh, wow.
But it wasn't chaos.
So we need to hit Tractor Supply?
Yeah.
All right. So we'll talk to you guys when we get down that direction. All righty. We have found ourselves at the Tractor Supply store. We need horse and chicken food.
Horse and chicken food.
They got best price, so that's where we're heading. We're in here trying to discover what the next best dog toy is. Kelly ended up with, they like to pull all the stuffing out of these things and then they play with it a lot once the stuffing's missing. But these, so we found something that
Already has the stuffing.
Yeah, it has all the stuff.
I don't have to pick it all up.
the old hee-haws have to eat. Well, one hee-haw now. Poor old Bella. And of course, chicken food. I think we probably spend more on the chicken food than we make back with eggs sometimes. But it's that time of year that that season will be coming. Man, that old boy over there, he rolled his cart over the little cord things they have going through all the equipment out here. Man, that sounded like a full-on burglar alarm thing going off. That was so loud. Wow.
Yeah, don't be trying to take their
No
equipment.
kidding. All right, well, let's head towards Toledo.
All right.
All right. Well, hello there, YouTube. Man, I'm telling you what, every time we get off the freeway, the one magical thing is there's like no traffic. It's just us driving down the road by ourselves. But for like the last month, every time, there's like 2 or 3 cars that take the freeway exit with us and follow us all the way through. Now we had this yahoo behind us tonight that kept turning his bright lights on. He's like way too close for the bright lights.
Yeah.
You know, I keep tapping brakes and whatever. He just, you know, he turn them off when he'd pass a car. And that's the other thing, cars going back and forth.
Yeah.
Then
Traffic is never like this.
Yeah,
here.
ever.
Not that 2 or 3 cars is a lot.
Yeah.
You know.
Well, I mean, there's like no traffic. You might pass a car or two out on the highway out here, but I don't know what's going on.
Yeah, freeways just
Yeah.
bumper to bumper.
Yeah, we were 50?
Yeah.
50 miles an hour going down the freeway before we took our exit. It's just bumper to bumper. Like rush hour in Toledo. There's
and
nothing out here.
Semis and all kinds of stuff.
Yeah,
And it's like,
just
really?
nuts. I have no idea what's going on. You know, it kind of happened right before Christmas, you know, like Thanksgiving or whatever. It started picking up which is normal, you know, people traveling for the holidays. But it never stopped. It just never stopped.
Yeah.
It's just gridlock all the way from Vancouver here.
Yeah. It's nuts.
Nuts. You know, every once in a while, like when I was riding Spyder home, I was pretty much free, you know.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, so I don't know. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the test rides today. That Grand America, that K1600B, that's one cool bike. But I still, man, I'm a huge fan of that R1200RT. There would just be no question that would be what I'd get. I mean, that 6-cylinder, all that stuff's really cool. It's fast. It's really, really powerful and all that stuff. But, oh, man. Like I said, that's like BMW's version of a street. It's like a German street glide, you know.
Yeah.
It has that just kind of universal feeling to it, you know. Not too big, wonderful, incredible motor. Get the nice drone out of that old Boxer twin. It's nice, really nice.
Now they're all gone.
World is going on.
Because you said he was being quiet.
Yeah, legally was being quiet there.
No more.
But Mama,
We better roll.
yeah, I ain't got no stories to tell tonight. It was a good day at work, and
Yeah.
it was just a great day. Kind of that springtime weather, though. It's like cloudy, it's sunny, it's cloudy, it's sunny.
Yeah, it's just weird.
Yeah, this is like weather we usually get later on in the year, you know, as it's trying to sputter to life and have summer, you know.
I'm coming.
I'm trying. But I'm not complaining though. Getting test rides in, and at least I've been riding something every day, which has been very, very nice.
Yeah, that's more than a lot of people, so
Heck yeah.
that's way cool.
Yep.
All right, we better roll.
Alrighty.
Thank you guys so much for watching. We really do appreciate it. We will talk to you tomorrow. Same smoke time, same smoke channel. Don't forget to give her a thumbs up and have an amazing Friday or Saturday.
Can't believe tomorrow's Friday already.
I know it. Yay.
Yeah. Yeah, that's great. That came on quick.
Yeah, way cool.
Hopefully the weather will change and it'll be nice this weekend.
You never know.
Fingers crossed. Alright. We'll talk to you guys tomorrow.
You guys take care.
Talk to you on Friday.
Yes.
For us, anyway. Might be Saturday for you.
Yeah, you might already be.
Yeah. Yes, you all excited about Friday.
Oh,
We're
yeah,
already halfway through our
we're
weekend.
already done.
Yeah. Alright. Till then, we'll see ya.
Bye.
Thanks, guys and cows. Bye-bye now.